Hi friends. So today, Leilani, we're going to be making patterns, okay? Remember, patterns is something that happens over and
over again.
That's right. It's something that repeats itself. And when something repeats itself, it happens over and over and over again. And that's also a pattern, okay? Can I show you a pattern?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to do lots of different patterns today. But let me show you a pattern first, and then you can work on finishing my other patterns, okay? Okay. Take a look at what I have. So I have some cubes on the table. What color is this cube?
White.
And this one?
Yellow.
Yellow. I'm going to start my pattern with the white one first. And then I'm going to follow it with the yellow one. Now, if my pattern repeats itself, and a pattern means that the same thing happens over and over and over again, then I need to keep using white and yellow. White comes next, and then what comes after that?
Yellow.
Yellow, and then
White.
white,
Yellow.
yellow, white, and then yellow. So we have a pretty medium-sized pattern, but we see that it repeats itself, right? So this is a color pattern. What is it? What kind of pattern is this?
Color pattern.
Color pattern. I'm going to give you some crayons so that you can make the color pattern. I'm going to start the pattern out for you, but you are going to finish the pattern, okay? All right, so the pattern is going to start with green and then orange. Can you finish the pattern?
Yes.
Make sure your pattern repeats itself. Green, orange. Tell me what this is.
Green.
And then
Green. Orange.
and then
Green.
and then what comes after that?
Orange. Green.
So I noticed that you finished my green-orange pattern. Remember, I started with green and orange? You saw that and you finished the pattern with the same colors. Green, orange, green, orange, green, orange. Wow, I noticed that the same thing is happening over and over again. What type of pattern is this?
Crayons.
They are crayons. What color crayons are they?
There's orange and
Green, right? Orange and green. So this is a color pattern. What kind of pattern is this?
color pattern.
Color pattern. Thank you so much. Let's move on. So I'm going to try to trick you now.
Trick me.
What we're going to do is we're going to start a number pattern, or maybe let's do a shape pattern. We're going to do a shape pattern. Okay? All right. I'm going to start the shape pattern, but you're going to finish it. My shape pattern is going to start with a square and circle. May you finish my pattern for me?
Yeah.
So it started with a square, circle. Wow, I'm noticing you're putting a square and a circle. You're following the same pattern. Square, circle, square, circle. Way to go. What type of pattern is this?
It's a shape pattern.
It is a shape pattern. What types of shapes are we using?
We're using square and circle.
Square and circle. All right, can you erase this while I get the next pattern ready? So I'm going to try to trick you now, and instead of a shape pattern, I'm going to try to trick you with some animals. So this is going to be an animal pattern. What type of pattern?
Animal pattern.
Animal pattern. I'm going to be looking for you to see how I start my pattern so that you know how to finish it. Is this a color pattern? Is this a number pattern?
No.
Is this a shape pattern?
No.
We're not calling it that, but we could see it that way. But we're really calling it what type of pattern? An animal pattern. So I have a duck and a sheep.
Okay.
I started with a duck and then a sheep. I'm going to give you some ducks and sheeps.
Thank
May you
you.
finish the duck sheep pattern.
Yes, I can.
So I notice you're putting a duck, a sheep, a duck, a sheep, a duck, and another sheep. You noticed that I started with a duck and sheep pattern and you finished it with the same pattern. I noticed that you did the same thing over and over again. Is this a color pattern?
No.
No. Notice how the colors, well actually, yeah, the colors are not really following any pattern, right?
Look, this one's both in yellow.
They are yellow. Are you ready for a different pattern?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try to trick you again, okay? So this is another animal pattern, but we're gonna have to do some sorting before we do the pattern. Are you ready?
Okay.
I'm gonna put these animals in the middle of the table, and I want you to tell me what you see.
I see snakes and whales, and starfish and shrimp.
That's a squid.
Squid.
Wow, so can you sort these for me?
Yeah.
I'm noticing that you're starting a pattern, but I'm asking you to sort these. Sort.
Oh. I guess I am sorry.
I noticed that while you were sorting, you put all the snakes in one pile. I wonder why. Why did you do that?
Because you told me the story.
So when we sort, we kind of put things that look the same together, right? Do these all look the same?
No.
Yeah, they're the same shape. Yeah, right? They're the same animal.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why you made this pile, right?
Yeah.
But what's going on over here in this pile? What do all these animals have in common?
They have. They're from the ocean.
They are from the ocean.
They're very, like beautiful and.
They're beautiful. These snakes are beautiful too. But we know that these snakes don't live in the ocean, do they?
No.
So we have animal that does not live in the ocean. And then we have animals that do live in the ocean. Can you make an animal pattern that shows an animal that lives in the ocean and an animal that doesn't live in the ocean? I'm going to start for you, okay? Here's an animal that lives in the ocean. Here's an animal that does not live in an ocean. Can you finish the pattern?
Yes. Looking zombie.
Wow, this can be a really tricky pattern, right? But you're understanding that all the snakes is one group and all the other animals that live in the ocean are in a different group. And I noticed that the pattern that you finished is the same one I started with. Water animal, snake. Water animal,
snake. Watermelon, snake. Watermelon, snake.
Now let's talk about what type of water animal they are.
That's like a whale.
Shark.
Shark!
That's a shark. What type of animal is this? Do you remember? Do you remember what this is? A squid.
Squid?
Squid. You know what that is.
Starfish.
And this is what you said this one was. This is a
whale.
A whale. That's right. Very good. All right. Now, we're going to do one more pattern. This pattern is going to be a little bit longer. Sometimes...
Beanbags?
You see those bean bags down there? Sometimes our patterns are short. Sometimes our patterns are long. Sometimes our patterns are small. Sometimes our patterns are big. We're going to make a kind of... And ginormous. Sometimes they're ginormous. We're going to make a little bit in between. A little bit big and a little bit small. Okay? All right? I am not going to start this one out for you. Or maybe I should. Should I?
Yeah.
Can I start this one out for you?
Yeah.
I'm going to start my pattern out with blue, red, and yellow. Let's read this pattern. They are primary colors. Let's read this pattern.
Blue, red, yellow.
Let's say it one more time, a little bit slower.
Blue,
Blue, red, yellow. Let's say it a little bit faster.
blue, red, yellow.
One more time, really fast.
Blue, red, yellow.
What is the pattern?
Blue, red, yellow.
Blue, red, and yellow. I'm going to give you some more blue, red, and yellow beanbags, and I'm looking for you to finish the pattern. What is the pattern again?
Blue, red, yellow.
Your turn.
Blue, red, yellow.
Your turn to finish the pattern. Way to go. I noticed that you follow the same pattern. Can I change it up for you?
Yeah.
Alright, this time I'm going to take all of these. I'm going to give you these. And I'm looking for you to make your own pattern. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Now first tell me, what colors do you see?
I see red. I see red, orange, green.
Make your pattern. Let me know when you're done. I'm going to move them up closer to the edge of the table so that we can fit them all in. You keep working on your pattern. Let me know when you're done.
Oh, I forgot to put the green. Here.
So I'm going to take your first, I notice you have 3 colors. How many different colors do you have?
I got 3 colors.
You have green, orange, and red. So let's take this pattern and let's see if it matches with the rest. No, thank you. Let's put orange back. This is your pattern. This is going to stay here. Your pattern is green, orange, and red. What is your pattern?
Green, orange, red.
So green, orange, red. Green, orange, red. Green, orange, red.
Green, orange, red.
So this should start with
Green.
green. Let's fix that. Nope, this one stays here. Fix it with these. This one stays here so that you can look at your pattern so you don't forget. Fix this one.
We should try this one.
Okay. What comes after green? Over here, look at your pattern. What comes after green?
Orange.
So what should come after green over here?
Orange.
So let's fix that. What comes after orange over here?
Green.
Look at where I'm pointing.
Red.
So what should come here after orange?
Red.
So fix this. This one stays here. Remember, this doesn't move. You're fixing this pattern. So this should be red. Fix it. So now you have 3 more bags. Let's see. Green, orange, red.
Green, orange, red.
Do those match? They look the same. Let's make another green, orange, red pattern over here.
Oh, good. Before like this. This one.
Way to go. Nice pattern. Green, orange, red. I noticed that your patterns, they look
Just the same.
They look the same. It's a really long pattern, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes the longer they get, it can get a little confusing. But we just have to make sure you're paying attention, okay? All right, great job with your patterns today. And say bye to your friends.
Bye!